Skincare up in the air. What is recommended to help your skin feel the most healthy and glowing during flights? So as the summer holidays are coming in and most of us are planning some kind of trip abroad and dreaming about laying by the beach, glowing with radiant, supple skin that is clear as the blue lagoon. But that is, however, before you get off the plane and go to your holiday destination with a clogged pore and dry patches and irritated skin that definitely weren't there when you took off. So why does this even happen, and how can you prevent it? What's actually going on up there in the sky when you're flying? So let's face it, being 30,000 or whatever feet up in the air must do something to our skin. But have you ever wondered what? So the first thing starts with that you are actually closer to the sun. So those damaging UV rays are actually stronger, even if we don't feel that or if it's totally dark. Second, there's also serious drop in humidity in the air. The air always feels more dry and it's mostly colder in the air, in the plane. Our skin tends to love higher humidity. Actually, about 50% humidity is thought to be the best. But on airplane, this percentage can drop down to 20% humidity. And researchers showed that low humidity and low temperature leads to general decrease in the skin barrier function. So the skin becomes more reactive and irritated, and like it's got less protection over it. This means that while you fly to your dream holiday, your skin needs as much help as it can to ensure that you can still glow when you get down to your holiday destinations. So I gathered some simple and great tips for you. The first one, hydration, hydration, hydration. If there's one thing you can do for your skin while flying, is giving yourself the maximum hydration that you can. This means drinking plenty of water, and I mean plenty of water, like you almost feel that you're getting sick, even if you don't feel thirsty, and just keep drinking. And from the outside, hold on a bottle of the flower toner, which is a mix of flowers, water like rose, geranium, orange, chamomile, depends on your skin, and you can just simply spray it on your skin. Gives you immediately hydration and relief for the skin. The second thing, get it all off. A common post-flight skin concern is blemishes, and it's no surprise that when you think about everything that's floating in the circulated air there up in the plane. So it's time to pull off the makeup remover and remove any makeup that you have on your skin before you set up. And don't worry, nobody looks that great in the flight, so don't worry about wearing makeup or not. So do that before taking off, and repeat it when you land, to make sure you're keeping your pores clean without stripping away your skin barrier, because this is made with 2 layers. Again, flower water and an oil layer, so it's super easy to use and it works amazingly. You just put it on a cotton pad on your eyes gently first, and the rest of the face some water, and your skin will feel smooth and clean. Okay, third tip, close your eyes. I know it may be easy said than done, but and you can have crying babies and jumping flight, but try to get as much sleep as you can, especially in a long flight. Put your eye mask, shut the blinds, and put some ocean waves music in your on your headset. You can even tune in to some wonderful meditation and drift off. I will also put a link to a meditation if you need one. Whatever you do, try to avoid drinking alcohol when you fly. It may relax your nerve system a little bit before, but it's also extremely dehydrating, and after a while it will keeps you awake. So try to avoid it as much as you can. The last thing, when you're coming back, damage control. I always feel when I'm coming back that I really need to now, get extra care. So book ahead recovery professional facial that will keep your skin deep cleanse, hydrate, and glowing again. I invite you to check the treatment that not only me but everybody who tried it says the quickest results that you can have. It's the Ultra Hydrofacial, which is 6 steps that deep cleanse, remove the dead skin cells and the clogged pores. There is ultrasonic, which increase collagen production. There is radio frequency, which stimulates the muscles under the skin, so it makes the skin firm. And there is cold therapy, and there is infusion of beautiful hydrating things. So I recommend the Ultra Hydrofacial, but whatever you do, book yourself ahead a damage control recovery facial, and have a beautiful holiday, amazing summer, and take care.